Hi, I'm Wren and this is my dog Taz, and I run a dog walking and pet sitting service called the Moochy Pooch. We offer half an hour or 1 hour walks, and that can be solo or in a group. The Moochy Pooch also offers pet sits when you're away, so that means your animals can stay in the comfort and the familiarity of their own homes. I'm someone who takes responsibility really seriously, so that means that if I say I'm going to be somewhere, I'll be there. On every walk I carry treats, poo bags, spare leads and a first aid kit, so I'm always prepared. We'll nurture your dog's sense of adventure by taking walks in lots of different environments. When you join the Moochy Pooch pack, we'll pop over for a meet and greet and get you to fill in a questionnaire so that we know everything we need to know about keeping you and your dog happy. So why choose the Moochy Pooch? We balance a great sense of adventure, fun and wild playtime with structure, good organisation, and we always positively reinforce good behaviour. I think the relationship a human can have with a dog is one of the most remarkable, rewarding and heartwarming relationships. In my case, there are never enough dogs in my life.